Howdy ArtyAliens and welcome. I am Paul Yateman. I draw stuff. For May that includes my hashtag Burton challenge. Today's video shows me modifying a drawing I produced yesterday. The plan is to draw this again, but for this video I'm exploring how it might look by scanning the sketch into my computer and editing it in Photoshop. That is why I've titled this 13A. 13B will likely come later. To the scanned image I add colour, some texture and faff around for a bit, turning what should probably have taken 10 minutes into a 40-minute play. That's okay, I didn't have a plan, so faffing around before breakfast is a-okay. I'll play a bit with colour palettes, see if the background works, and at the very end I'll show the results of printing this onto magnetic paper and sticking it onto my fridge, so stick around for that. You could also skip to it if you really want. Think that's interesting? Whack that like button. So, firstly I chopped the sketch out of the background, which allowed me to colour it, as in the background. I played with layers and eventually settled on line art for the top with a layer style applied and added the colours to the lower layers. I was not aiming to do anything fancy with this piece, so there's no repainting or adding wrists or hands or anything like that. The fanciest I get is to add some texture to the suit. Rather than colour the hair after some failed ideas, I ditched that and leave it as is. I eventually settled on a layer style that greyed out the entire drawing, after which I added some dull colours. The brightest part of this is the suit, which I painted in rather than selecting the whole lot and filling it. The idea there was the brush strokes would layer and imply pinstriping. That did not happen as obviously as I wanted it to, which is why later you'll see me drop in a photo of a pair of jeans that I took to give the herringbone look to the jacket. Before that, however, I provide the tie, shirt and handkerchief with some colour and adjust the levels to darken the line art. I also tested out some church backgrounds as they may have aided the gothic look. I called fail on that, so stuck with no background at all. After playing around with some layering styles there, I choose that one, delete the bit so the tie still sticks out, try the churchy bits and no fail. So here's my original sketch showing some colour ideas and the image I scanned. I'm quite happy with the typography as that came right out of my imagination and goes with the sketch, I reckon. Here's the final photoshopped image with a transparent background. I'm quite happy with how the coat texture turned out. Finally, here's the magnet I printed and stuck on my fridge. Anywho, if you found this interesting, informative, entertaining, you were inspired to draw in your own sketchbook or journal, either in a Burtonesque style or not, subscribe, like and share. Until next time, you have been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yateman. Ciao, take care and happy drawing.